I think compute is going to be the currency of the future. I think it will be maybe the most precious commodity in the world. I expect that by the end of this decade, and possibly somewhat sooner than that, we will have quite capable systems that we look at and say, wow, that's really remarkable. The road to AGI should be a giant power struggle. I expect that to be the case.
The price of compute will continue to fall, and the value of AI as the models get better and better will go up and up. There's ways it can go wrong. Like if the price of compute, if we don't make enough compute in the world and the supply-demand thing gets out of balance and we choose for compute, or by a factor of bad planning, we cause compute to be really expensive, then sure, maybe that's the way it goes. But I think we can drive the cost of a very high quality of intelligence to very near zero. And that will just be phenomenal for most things in the world. Not everything, there will be some negatives, but I think the cost of intelligence is about to get really, really cheap.